I'm Emma and today I'm going to be telling you all about the 4 knives which I believe everyone needs in their kitchen using the Wolstead Calibre range. Wolstead Calibre knives are made from high quality German steel for optimum hardness, and the triple riveted handle makes it easy for control and precision. The 4 knives which I believe every kitchen needs includes a chef knife, a bread knife, a santoku knife, and finally a utility knife. Chef knives are the perfect tool for using every day in the kitchen. Whether you're chopping meat, slicing herbs, dicing vegetables, or chopping nuts, this knife can do it. The Calibre chef knife has a curved blade which allows for easy rocking backwards and forwards when you're chopping. The broad heel of the blade as well allows for tougher vegetables to be chopped with ease. Bread knives are not only ideal for cutting bread, but they're also great for cutting fragile fruits and vegetables. The serrated edge on the Calibre bread knife makes it easy to chop bread, cakes, and even fruits like tomatoes without crushing or crumbling out of shape. Santoku Bocho translates to 3 uses, making the Santoku knife perfect for mincing, dicing, and slicing. The Calibre Santoku knife has dimples along the edge to help when you're chopping prevent your food from sticking. As well, if you're not after the big Santoku knife, there are 2 smaller sizes. A handy trick in the kitchen is to use the back of the blade to scoop up and transport your chopped veggies. It'll save the edge from going blunt. Every kitchen needs a utility knife. This will make chopping smaller fruits and vegetables a breeze in your kitchen. Comparing the knives that you see in front of me, you'll see that the utility is pretty much a smaller version of your chef knives, to make chopping smaller items a lot easier. If you're after something even a little bit smaller, you've got your paring knife. So if your kitchen's in need of some new knives, I can recommend that these 4 will have you covered for everything mincing, dicing, slicing, and chopping. If you're after classic, functional, reliable, and affordable knives, then Wolstead Calibre is for you. If you want to check them out online, either go onto our website or come into one of our kitchen warehouse stores to see them for yourself. I'll see you next time.